Today we are going to extend Notion with a feature that doesn't exist. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Alessandro, and in this channel we try to improve our organization in tech, programming and gaming. Notion has a basic problem. When you copy a row, it doesn't include the column with the relation. And I would like to overcome this with a custom script that I will create now. And I would like first to define what we are going to do in the script. So first we are going to define the variables that we are going to use in the script. First we go with a table called copy2. Then there is a table copy from that has relationship with a third table. And we can call it table relation. Then we are going to ask the token of Notion. This token is necessary to connect to your Notion. It's called token v2 in the Notion unofficial API. Then I think we can do a basic script that exactly copy a test table to a third table. Then we can expand the script. So we are going to ask, do you want to check for duplicates? Or you can remove the old row. Do you want to remove the old row? Basically, we are going to copy one row from one table to another table, but keeping the relation with that. So this script might actually already work. It's really the MVP. Should just copy and paste the rows. I found the copy properties function on GitHub. There is on the unofficial repository a problem that someone wanted to copy every attribute, and I just found it. And I will expand it, as I just already said. I want to ask the user if it wants to check for duplicates and from which check the duplicate. So if there is the same name, don't copy the row. Or if the user wants to delete the row in the first table. But for now, I would like to check if this script works, and let's check on Notion. Because yes, of course, the name third is not defined. Get back to the script, because there is no third. There is table 2. But now it's going to work. This is the token. Let me get the table link and the link of the table 3. Now the magic should happen. You see, there is a new column with the relationship and the name, and that's A. Here it's A from second, it went to third, and now it's copying slowly. It's making its way down for everything. What I would like to do now is to expand the script to ask if you want to check for duplicates. For example, right now I would ask if I repeat the execution of this script, it wouldn't copy anything because the name there is already something with the name in it, and it wouldn't copy that row. And also if you want to delete the row in the table from, and let's do it.
Tomorrow for sure.
So it's morning and I want to finish the new script, and let's get just going. I'm currently testing the script. It seems almost done. I'm checking this thing about the duplicates, but there are some problems with uppercase and lowercase letters on the properties, but I will get it done as soon as I can. So I just finished the check the duplicates script. Hopefully it works again, because I didn't check exactly another thing, but we can check now if it works. So I have the Python script here and copy tables pi. I want to check for duplicates. I enter my token. That is hidden. It's an hidden input, so well, you can't see it, but it's there. I connect it to my Notion, and now I check from my table second that you can't see. I want to check the name property and copy to table third. That is the one you see in the screen. And hopefully it's already creating the row. See, pop. Create the column. First, error. Yeah. Name X is not defined. Might be super easy. Yeah. It was super easy. Let me just reset this. Yeah, this happens. I didn't feel many of this, but this is how you actually develop. So you test the stuff, it doesn't work, you edit one line, and then you continue. I check for duplicates, then I get my token, I get my table, I memorize the URL of the table. Yeah. This is how long I'm doing this. No, I'm kidding. I just saw it so many times. This is the link of the table I will copy to the third table, this one. So hopefully now it does something more. There is the new row, that's the relationship here. Yeah, I'm printing some stuff still. I should have removed that, but yeah, it did go on. It's checking for the duplicates, but there are no duplicates with A, so it just copies everything. It's a bit slow, but this is depending on Notion itself, the speed of Notion itself, and I guess your computer speed. It's checking for each row if the name of the property is name, and then check if the name is the same as something else in the row, in the table. You get the gist. Checks if the name is already exists in the table, but it checks it after already created the row. Rows are there, and now I'm going to do the script again, checking for duplicates. So again, my token, the table second, the property name is name, the link of the table called third. Now you will see again the print in the terminal, but you see it copies first the first things, but then deletes the row because it's, oh, there is the name. And I'm not sure if I can optimize it yet, but my goal is to finish as soon as possible with something that works. Also for C, and now this is the C copies, but then nope, C exists. Done! The check for duplicates is finished. Now on to the next step. The next step is to check if the user wants to delete the old rows. So it's a sort of dangerous, because if something gets wrong, you delete a table, but I want to do it as well as I can and test it on my table, so when I distribute it, this is going to work. So the remove the rows was really easy, just one line of code, and I optimized a little bit more the code, and we can see now the result. This is the second table, so the table we copy from, and I will run now the script. I want to check for duplicates, but it doesn't matter because there are no duplicates on the third, it's just empty. Do you want to remove old rows? Yes. I enter my token as before. The link of the copy from table. The property really doesn't matter. It can be anything. I just tested with first and it did work. The with first is the relation table. So I checked if the relation table was already there. If something had already the relations with that, don't copy the row. It's a little bit to check for that relation. Usually I guess you check for the name of the row, but still. Copy to table, and that's this one. Now it should slowly disappear everything from here. We can get in here, it's copying, and see, it should, after the first copy, remove the C. And the C is here with every property. I think there are problems with the tags because you need to create the tag in the new table if it's not present. So it's another step of complexity. But this is working. The B is disappeared from here, and the A is here, and it's disappearing from here. And the script works. This script was fairly easy. It took me some time because I'm not used to the Python formatting, and last night I got some problems because of the formatting of the lines, even though I did correctly. I checked some online formatter and they were saying no problems, but just rewriting the code worked. And I implemented the check for duplicates on a name property and check if you want to remove the old rows. I will put a link in the description for the GitHub link so you can contribute to this script, and also let me know if I can help you. I hope you found the video useful and the script. Till the next one, bye!